Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting person. His name is Elon Musk. He is a man who dreams big. He works hard, and he has changed the world in many ways. You might know him from his cars, or maybe from the rockets that go into space. We will learn about his life, his challenges, and how he became so successful. Are you ready? Let's begin. Elon was a young boy in South Africa. He loved to read. He read many books about science and technology. He was very curious. He always wanted to know how things work. He spent a lot of time alone, thinking and learning. He was a thinker. A thinker is a person who likes to think about big ideas. He did not just dream, he wanted to make his dreams real. One day, he decided to move to Canada. He wanted to study and learn more about computers and business. He was very determined. Determined means you don't give up, even when things are hard. In Canada, Elon worked many small jobs to pay for his studies. He cut down trees, and he did other hard works. It was not always easy, but he kept going. He believed in his ideas. Ideas are new thoughts or plans. He had many ideas for the future. He studied hard at university. He was very good at physics and business. Physics is the science of how things work in the world. Business is about making and selling things. After university, Elon moved to the United States. He had a big idea. He wanted to start a company that helped people use the internet. In 1995, he and his brother started a company called Zip2. It was a company that helped newspapers put their information online. At that time, the internet was still quite new for many people. It was a new and exciting time. Zip2 helped people find information easily on the internet. This was a big step. Elon worked very hard at Zip2. He often worked for many hours every day. He was very passionate about his work. Passionate means you really love what you do. After a few years, another company bought Zip2 for a lot of money. This was a big success. Success means doing something well and achieving your goal. Elon was still young, but he had already achieved a lot. But Elon did not stop there. He had more big ideas. One of his next ideas was about money online. At that time, it was not easy or safe to send money over the internet. Elon believed he could make it better. So, he helped start a company called X.com. Later, this company became PayPal. PayPal made it easy and safe for people to send and receive money online. This was another big success for Elon. Many people around the world use PayPal today. It made online shopping and business much easier. After PayPal, Elon had a new dream. He was very interested in space. He believed that one day, people could live on other planets. This was a very ambitious idea. Ambitious means wanting to achieve something very difficult or important. Most people thought it was impossible. But Elon was determined. He started a company called SpaceX. The goal of SpaceX was to make rockets that could go to space more easily and for less money. At the beginning, SpaceX had many challenges. Challenges are difficult things you have to overcome. Their first rockets did not always work. There were many failures. Some rockets exploded. Many people thought Elon should give up. It was a very difficult time. He lost a lot of money. But Elon did not quit. He learned from every mistake. He and his team worked harder. They kept trying. They were persistent. Persistent means you keep trying even when it is difficult. Finally, SpaceX had success. Their rocket went into space and came back safely. This was a huge achievement. It showed the world that Elon's idea was possible. Since then, SpaceX has done many amazing things. They have sent satellites into space. They have helped the International Space Station. They are even working on rockets that can take people to Mars. This is a very big and exciting project. A project is a planned piece of work that has a specific purpose. Another big idea of Elon Musk was about cars. He believed that cars could be better for the environment. Most cars at that time used gasoline, which can pollute the air. Elon wanted to make electric cars. Electric cars use electricity instead of gasoline. They are cleaner and better for the planet. So, he helped start a company called Tesla. At first, it was hard for Tesla. Many people did not believe that electric cars could be good. They thought they were slow and did not go far enough. But Elon and his team worked hard to make better electric cars. They made cars that were fast, beautiful, and could travel long distances. The Tesla cars became very popular. Popular means many people like it. More and more people started buying electric cars. Tesla helped to change the way people think about cars. Elon Musk is also interested in other big ideas. He thinks about how we can travel faster. He has talked about something called the Hyperloop, which could be a very fast way to travel between cities. He is also interested in how we can use technology to help people. He has a company that is working on ways to help people with brain problems. He is always looking for new ways to innovate. Innovating means to create new ideas or methods. Elon Musk has faced many difficulties and setbacks in his life. Not everyone believed in his ideas. Sometimes his companies had problems. But he always kept going. He is a good example of someone who is resilient. Resilient means being able to recover quickly from difficulties. He learned from his failures and used them to become stronger. So, what can we learn from the story of Elon Musk? We can learn that it is important to have big dreams. We can learn that we should work hard and be determined. We can learn that it is okay to fail, as long as we learn from our mistakes and keep trying. We can learn that one person with a big idea and a lot of passion can change the world. Elon Musk's story is still continuing. He is still working on new and exciting projects. He is still trying to make the world a better place. He is an inspiration to many people around the world. An inspiration is someone who encourages you to be better. Now, let's think about some of the words we learned today. We learned about a thinker, someone who has big ideas. We learned about being determined, not giving up. We learned about ideas, new thoughts. We learned about success, achieving your goals. We learned about being ambitious, wanting to do big things. We learned about challenges, difficult problems. We learned about being persistent, continuing to try. We learned about a project, a planned piece of work. We learned about something being popular when many people like it. We learned to innovate, to create new ideas. We learned about being resilient, recovering from difficulties. And we learned about inspiration, someone who encourages us. Can you think of other successful people who are determined and persistent? Can you think of a time when you were resilient? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your ideas. Remember, learning English is also a journey. Sometimes it can be challenging, but if you are persistent and determined, you will achieve success. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep dreaming big, just like Elon Musk. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stories and English learning opportunities. What other success stories would you like to hear about? Let us know in the comments. Keep learning and have a wonderful day.